Okay, welcome to another video by Peninsula Floating Floors. This is a lovely reno in Mount Eliza for Abby Christine and Greg, and yeah, they were gonna, it's quite a story this one. They've ripped up a load of tiles and then they built up the floor with 20mm ply, and they were going to put a hybrid down, but yeah, when we discussed the project and showed them the HD Oakleaf in the Blackbutt, they completely changed their mind. So a couple of issues we had when we went up quite high. The doorstep was lower than the actual floor, so we've completely replaced the doorstep and given it a bit of lean. So it's come out really nicely. Anyway, let's have a quick look. So normal trims, nicely round the stair. Nice trims on the sliders. And into this office area.
Just on the other side.
On this one, yeah. Down to the laundry. So the kickers were on. So all the kickers were undercut and corked, and done a 5mm cork line down the waterfall. It all came out rather lovely. Oh, and the cupboard, which we scotiated. Yeah, so really happy with this. Really nice Oakleaf HD Plus in the Blackbutt. There's Greg, and yeah, he come through the front door. How nice is the run, equidistant either side of the door. Gosh, that looks nice, that run. How many metres do you reckon this is? 20?
From front to back.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably more.
More than 20?
No, the width of the room is 10.
God, yeah, it's got to be over 20 then, isn't it? Anyway, I'll be back to Greg's just painting all the skirts, and it's going to look beautiful. It'll be my best Blackbutt by a mile. So yeah, it's been actually the first time I've actually been able to clean one as well. So it really looks nice. Right, that's enough rambling on. If you like the video, smash a like on it.